So I spend a lot of time in nature and outside, and it's very healing. It's very nice. I like fresh air. I do deep breathing lately, and it helps a lot to breathe consciously in and out. And I want all of you to do it too. And morning and night, being outside is phenomenal, and I hope everybody else gets the chance to do that too. And it's pretty incredible to spend as much time outside as I do, and I just hope that everybody else gets to start being outside as much as I do too. Early mornings and late nights, and extremely early mornings. It's all incredible. And practice deep breathing techniques. I hope you all are writing in your notebooks, because writing is always an amazing experience as well. I've always been a writer, and I hope you all choose to write as well in your notebooks. I read some good books, sing, listen to music. There's many, many more things that can be done. Painting, cooking, I mean, the list goes on. I really hope people put these things first, because I think they matter amongst everything else. All right?